Did you know that you can make ice cream using cream, ice, and salt? It's simple. You need half a cup of cream, a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a larger Ziploc bag, and a smaller bag. Fill the larger bag half full with ice or snow, half a cup of coarse salt. Toss that right in with the snow. Don't worry, we won't be eating this part. The salt helps make snow even colder, creating a super cooler. As the snow melts, heat is absorbed from the cream, making it freeze into ice cream. In the smaller bag, put your cream and your sugar and your vanilla extract. Seal up the smaller bag. Put it inside of the larger bag and seal that and shake for 10 minutes. Keep shaking. Feel how cold it's getting. Keep shaking. Take the smaller bag out and open it up. Give it a stir. You can eat the ice cream right out of the bag or put it in a bowl and eat that up. Yum! For more regional park activities, visit rdco.com/parks.